Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own music to your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. So if you go into the app drawer, you can see that we have Samsung Music app on the watch, which means that you can play any music and control it from the watch as well. But how you can add it to the watch, that's a different story, and for that we have to go into the Galaxy Wear app on the phone. So once you are into the Galaxy Wear app on your phone, then go in watch settings and scroll up, and then you will find this option called manage content. Go in here, and here you will find that you can actually add music as well as images to your watch. Now there are two ways to do it. You can start the auto sync and then select any playlist on your phone, and then that playlist will be synced to your watch automatically. And as you continue to add more songs or more music to that playlist, those songs will be synced up with your watch automatically. You don't have to do anything about it. And it says here that the sync will happen every 6 hours, and syncing will pause when your watch battery is 15% or less. Now the second way is to add individual tracks to the watch, and for that simply go in tracks on watch, and it will show you what tracks are already available on the watch, so you can do that. And from here you can delete these tracks, but at the same time you can also add more tracks, and for that just tap on this plus button here, and it opens up the playlist and everything that you have on your phone. And from here just find the track that you're looking for. So let's go here and find this one track and press add on watch, and it will be transferred to your watch straight away. So there you go. Now you can see that it's adding to the watch, and once this transfer is complete, I'll show you this track on the watch as well. So now you can see that we have this track on the watch as well. Let's go ahead and find it here. Go into the Samsung Music app, go up, go in library, and go in tracks. So there you go. Now we have this track on the watch as well, and you can just tap on it and start playing it on the watch. So that's how you can add any offline music to your watch, or you can sync playlists to your watch as well from your phone. So that's about it from this video guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.